How to turn off restricted mode on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to turn off restricted mode on TikTok. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your TikTok app and you will get right here. So if you feel like a restriction on your TikTok or you accidentally turned on your restricted mode, so how to turn it off, you will simply go to your profile. So this is where you can see we have our TikTok profile. To turn off the restriction, click on these three lines at the top right corner, and then you have to click on settings and privacy. In settings and privacy, you just have to scroll down to digital well-being. You can see this option with an umbrella icon. So what you need to do is click on digital well-being and it will take you right here. We have two options. We have screen time management and restricted mode. So you have to select this one and you can see it's off right now, and I can just turn it on and some limits will be added to my TikTok. To turn it off or on, you get this button right here at the end of the screen. Just click on it to turn it off and it will be off right here. So this is how you can turn off restricted mode on TikTok. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.